Now I am taking another question where the principle of mathematical induction, that is PMI, needs to apply. Prove by the principle of mathematical induction that 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 4 plus dot 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 plus 1 upon n into n plus 1 is equals to n upon n plus 1. Again, same procedure is to be followed. What? First we will prove that it is true or it holds true at n is equals to 1. Second, we will assume it is true even for n is equals to k or lambda or m, whatever step in between we will take. And final step, we will prove that it is even true on the next step of that assumed step. So first step, if I say that let n is equals to 1. Let n is equals to 1 means left hand side, this is 1 upon 1 into 2 become 1 by 2. The value of the left hand side at n is equals to 1, to prove the first step to verify that result is true at n is equals to 1, we have to take LHS as first step and the RHS become 1 upon 1 plus 1 because n is 1. 1 upon 1 plus 1 which gives us 1 by 2. So LHS is half, RHS is half at n is equals to 1 means this implies that P of 1 is true. In shortcut I am writing P of 1 is true, meaning by result holds true at n is equals to 1. Second step, that is we have to assume that result holds true at n is equals to k. So I am taking here, let us assume that P of k be true. This we need to assume, this we need to suppose. So how this mathematical statement at n is equals to k can be written as same way, 1 upon 1 into 2, 1 upon 2 into 3, 1 upon 3 into 4 plus dot 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 1 upon k into k plus 1 is equals to k upon k plus 1. Now the problem is that what we need to do in the final step. Only next step, final step is that if we prove that it is even true for n is equals to k plus 1. So third step, now we have to verify that it is true at n is equals to k plus 1. In order to reach the result n is equals to k plus 1, we have to take the result till the step number k. This become 1 upon 1 into 2, 1 upon 2 into 3, 1 upon 3 into 4 plus dot 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 1 upon k into k plus 1. This is the value till the step k. We have to move one step further. So in place of k, in the left side, this become k plus 1 and k plus 1 will be converted to k plus 2. And right hand side will be k plus 1 upon k plus 2. If we can prove this value is equal to this with the help of the assumed one, it means PMI is verified. So what we have here, 1 upon 1 into 2, 1 upon 2 into 3, 1 upon 3 into 4 till this step, the value is k upon k plus 1. So value of till this step we can write k upon k plus 1 and plus next step is 1 upon, this is what, k plus 1 into k plus 2. If you simplify by taking the LCM, the answer comes as k plus 1 upon k plus 2, which is required right hand side. So any mathematical statement can be proved not only by AP, GP or some other special sequences. There is a method which proves the statement with few steps, is known as the method of induction and follows as I explained you.